Is localized graphing orchestration crashing because of the Chart Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Chart Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Chart Library, a specialized charting and graphing module. It provides unmanaged C++ routines for the vector rendering of high-precision mathematical charts and graphs in legacy business suites. It manages the coordinate-based drawing of axes, labels, and data plots within the host application's UI. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The Chart Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the Localized graphing orchestration framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Chart Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be aware that manual interventions for Chart Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Chart Library. If you've regained access to Chart Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.